Hello guys, this is Marius Stanescu and this is my fourth day of challenge with the 5ers. Okay, so I'm just trying to accommodate because I just opened my computer. So what happened yesterday? I had two losing trades, but it was like only half of the position, so it is like -1 error for yesterday. Why that happened is because I was very careless, or yeah, I was not paying attention to what happened. So I had this um, on DAX. I had the chart on 1 hour, and then yeah, I enter completely wrong with 10,000 stop loss and take profit. I could have had a take profit hit at least 2 times risk to reward, but that was my first mistake, or actually the second one. The reason that is like it was like a chain of mistakes. Well, the first one was that I came late to the charts. I came a little bit after 3 o'clock my time, like only like 20 minutes before the opening, and I didn't had enough time to make the analysis and speak for this live stream. But then I got this entry here that I was a little bit like FOMO entry, let's say. Yeah, it was not the worst entry here to be honest, but overall it was -1 risk to reward yesterday. And then I had this you FTSE here, and this was actually a bad entry here. At least I didn't enter here. If I would have entered here, then I would have said that okay, it's a good entry, but I enter in the middle of nothing here, so that's my mistake. So let's see what my plans will be for today. Let's start with FTSE. As you can see, FTSE is going to higher highs now, where I can buy. Honestly, I don't like that. I had some analysis made in this morning for London Open, and I was expecting for this long trade here, and I was not at the charts this morning, but this would have been a very nice buy here. That was my plan, a break and a retest down to this one like that. So this would have been the break and the retest to this area, and then boom. The other scenario was that a short here, or maybe here, I cannot see now exactly. I don't remember where was the price when I made the analysis. But anyway, if I would have had this, let's say, losing trade, then I would have 100% had this winning trade here. Okay. Just try to make and improve the internet connection. Just 1 second. Okay, I'm back, but again, there are some problems with the with the streaming. And why is that happening? I'm not sure. Anyway, if you cannot see it live, then you will see it um, after with no problems for the connection. Just 1 second, I need to do something again. Okay, yes, I was just posting something on the Facebook group for the 5ers. So let's see where we are now. We have green bricks, which of course that's only bullish for 1 hour, Renko, and 4 hours the same. So the price might just go for a while here. Not sure how long, but it looks like the price might continue for a while. I don't think it's a good idea to buy for in all-time highs, even though the price might go a lot higher. I will wait for some type of correction before. So now, unfortunately, if I would have traded the London Open, then my analysis would have been fine. But now I'm a little bit too late in for New York. So what can happen for New York? Maybe a pullback. Uh, where is it? It, we might see some type of correction or pullback for New York. Why? Because buyers from USA, they also want to buy cheap. Everybody wants to buy cheap. Yes, so we might see this type of move. I'm not sure, but uh, FTSE, it's out of UK 100. It's out of analysis today. Not analysis, but out of trades. Sorry. So yeah, let's see what we have on DAX. Actually, the DAX is not ready from. I didn't have the London analysis, so I will just go to SP 500. So SP 500, I had this morning. I was looking for this. Sorry, that's my phone. I was looking for this resistance area here, and I was thinking about a short under it and a buy above it. So the price is still not so concludent about what is going to do next. So yeah, I still have the same scenario, but we need to look on a lower time frame and see what can happen. I will have my best trade a buy trade above this one, so that let's say that we follow the trend. Yes, and the trend will be a break above this red rectangle that I have here, like a resistance area. So the best trade will be a buy above this one, break above and buy until this level. So yeah, now looking at this higher time frame, I will see that the best trade is a buy trade here. Renko, let's see what we see on Renko. We have green bricks, so again, I'm going to go for buy trades. Now we have a red one here. So um, I will say that if the preview brick it's a red one, you will I will enter um, short, but that's not the case because I want to trade with the trend. And again, the 4 hour time frame Renko, it's having bigger value than 1 hour time frame. So I'm not getting scared about this brick unless the price is going to do something like this. One moment. So in order for me to look for short trades, then probably I will like to see the price going under this level, the preview, let's say some type of resistance that we had in the past. But still, I don't look for short trades because we are in an uptrend now. So it's silly to look for short trades. So and then if I'm going to short at this level, then where would be my profit target? I don't have such too much space for a profit target. So no, selling short this one, it's too risky now, and it doesn't make that much sense. But let's look on 5 minutes chart and 1 minute chart and see what I done this morning, how I was seeing the things. Okay, yeah. So now I have this break under the consolidation, or this. You see, the price was moving like this in zigzag sideways to this level between 6068 and 6062, something close to that one. So I will say that now uh, Where is it? I can also identify this like a short trade here for a retest, but considering what I'm seeing on higher time frame, and then I will get like a take profit here. So considering for what I'm seeing to higher time frame, I still don't want to be a seller. So what I will imagine is that this can be a false break, and then I will wait for the price to go above and enter long here. So I will enter long at this uh, price if the price will break above this. So this is how I will imagine a SP500, which means that I'm going to put also a trading alert here. Where is it? A trade alert here. Yes, I'm going to have this alert here. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing on SP500. Let's go to Nasdaq. It should be something similar. Also Nasdaq. Yes, the price is going. It's something similar. You see, with the price moved in zigzag, and then we had this here, and mm, I can identify this. Yeah, let's start with the beginning. Sorry, we start with the. I just saw this candlestick moving aggressively up, and I say that okay, what's happening? So on 1 hour chart, we have the same, but we are in. Generally, we are in a downtrend, but let's say that this last impulse still have space to move up. It still has some type of space, you see, to move up here. So um, yeah, it should look something like this. Uh, it might go the price, it might hit here this level. Let me delete this one. So the price might just hit the trend line and then fall down again, or it might just go up and continue this to higher highs. But we are in the downtrend, so I will just stop to take profit as fast as possible. Yeah, I can trade long, it's fine. And also here, I might just search for some sell trades, and that's it if I'm going to get stopped out, and there's no problem. Orenco, green bricks for 1 hour, which is buy. 4 hours, it should be also green, so we have also green. And then if we move to 5 minutes chart, we have the price like going sideways. And one moment. Yeah, okay, sorry, my phone was ringing. So yeah, here at London, I was seeing this consolidation, but the price move up, false breakout, false breakout to the downside, false breakout to the upside, again false breakout to the downsides, and the price is not like it's not so decisive in what it should do next. But I'm going to expect some type of let's say let me make this one a little bit like this. And then the type of move that I want to see is this one, like that. So I'm going to put a trading alert here. Okay. And actually I'm going to put also trading alert here. And I need to make the entire analysis on DAX because I haven't done it this morning. And let's see what we can see here. I'm going to delete everything and start from scratch. And then we have some trend lines that I can draw, like these two here, actually only one. And again on DAX, prices is to higher um, all-time high, sorry. I can also say that this might be the finish of the move because it looks very nice in this channel. And if the price will break under the moving average, then that can be a sell signal. Let's see what how it looks on 4 hour. Yeah, doesn't give that much information on 4 hours, but that's fine like that. We go back to 1 hour and we are just going to draw some resistance and support lines. And one is here. I don't think the price will go that much down, but we don't know. And again, one more looks here and one actually looks exactly here. And one more here. Should I will start moving these lines back to on smaller time frames. I'm just trying to make some type of um, Fibonacci level. So like let's say what can we expect for a pullback for an extension of this leg, if that can happen. Actually no, wait, that was wrong, sorry. So we had this one, and this one, and we see that the price is now at 127.2 or 1272 level, and we can say that this might be the end of the move. If not, it can go up to close to 618, 1.618. Okay, and what you can think about this now, it's that we can wait for a retracement, and yeah, where that retracement can be, we don't know exactly, but let's see. I will just stay with the support and resistance for retracement, but now it looks like a good time to start shorting DAX. Let's move to um, lower time frame. Renko, it's bullish on 4 hour candlestick and on 1 hour also bullish, but that doesn't mean it cannot change. Okay, we can see that the price is falling aggressively on this chart on 5 minutes time frame. I'm going to take the levels from the higher time frame and put them here. Yeah, I like this one better, how it looks now. And then there is nothing more to the upside. But then it's this one. And what I can see now is that we have this area in the price broke through it, and this might be actually a good time to short. You can short aggressively, but because we have this spike here, I will just wait for a little while before shorting. So what I will wait, it's something like this. Because I have this false break, that means that the price might go to that area again here and create another false break. So let's see how it will do, how it will look. Yes, and then this is like an entire area also. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to wait a little bit for the price and let's see what will happen. Just going to mute my microphone for a while until I get some decisions. No, I'm not going to trade like that here. I'm not going to enter short. Also here, no. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Okay, I'm back. Um, yeah, I had to make some phone calls anyway. Um, let's see what we are getting again on the charts. So I don't want to short here, even though this look like a very nice area to sell. It looks like a um, bearish flag. It's like that, and then a break here might go like that. So let's see. I'm not so excited with going short on those. Uh, what is this? This is SP 5 minutes Nasdaq. Sorry, I'm more like on the bullish side of the market now. And yeah, Nasdaq. It's in this downtrend. We had a down leg. Now we are on the upside. So I'm just going to wait for buy signals also on this one. If I will get them, then I will trade. If I will not get them, I will not trade. Here we already had this on FTSE 100, so I'm not going to take any actions here. But instead, with DAX, this might be looking very nicely to buy or to short also. So if I would have not had this false break before here, then I would have said that this is a good um, price to short. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the risk, and if not, I'm going to enter. Uh, I'm going to enter long. So my stop loss will be just above here, so that I can 1,500 pips, and then so I've shorted DAX before the market, and if I'm going to get stopped out, then I know that I'm going to change my bias and I'm going to search for long trades. So that will be my second trade of the day and probably the last one. Let's see what will happen next with the price. My only fear on this short was this false break from here, which I thought that maybe it will do the same here. So let's see if my fear was right or not. But then I will just take the chance, and if it's going to go down, then I'm going to get my take profit hit. If not, then I'm just going to um, change my bias. That should be something like that, and enter long. One minute away from the New York Open, and I'm getting close to be stopped out. Yeah, it happens sometimes. So my fear was right, but that's fine. It's fine not to be 100% right every time. I would expect a correction on DAX, but okay, I think it's New York market. It's open right now, so on the on the higher time frame, I still see a correction, and there is a lot of space to short here. Like if you look at 1 hour chart, then that's quite a lot of space here, and up until here, maybe. And then again here, you might have, I mean, if you are going to go with long-term perspective, you can see something like this, honestly. So yeah, depends on the time frame, but yeah, this is also a scenario. So I don't know if I was right with the trade, but I do like how things are looking, and I do like the trade. I'm not sure if I could have found a better entry, but that's this one is also fine. What might happen at one point, if the price is not falling down now, is that the price can go again to one of these two levels and then fall down, or maybe it can also create a false break here and then fall down. Yeah, let's see how the price will react. But if I'm going to sell again at one point, so if the price is going to go up, then I'm going to buy. If the price is going to go to this 21,730, then I will wait for some for this move like a false break, and then I'll try to find a way to short. So I got stop out. I don't know if my mic was working or not, but I got stop out on this trade. And on higher time frame, I will see that I don't see this like a buy opportunity for uh, Nasdaq. I still want to be short, so I'll just wait for an opportunity to sell short here. Let's see something like this, but let's see what SP is doing and Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. Let's see. Yeah, we might see a short here to this level that I was saying here, but we are still in some type of support area, which is this one here. So don't really want to go short before that. It will break, and then if I'm going here short, then might be a little bit too late. This will be the next take profit zone. So let's see what else can happen. Mm, I like this move here. If the price is going to break out from this on standard 500, then I'm going to go long. And I think this is what happened with SP now. Yes, and then I'm going to go long. Like 1000 points should be fine. And I'm losing the momentum. And I lost a lot of momentum, but yeah, let's see. I got late in the trade. Not so much move at the market opening, to be honest. Very silent. Okay, still very boring this New York Open. 10 minutes from the open and nothing that much happened except my first losing trade, which was on DAX here. I got a short trade here. I was a little bit skeptical about this one, but I still enter short. So yeah, I'm still going probably to wait for short trades like this scenario, or if the price is going to break again under this level. And now I am long on SP 500, which might be my second losing trade. I don't know. We need to wait and see. I got late in the trade or too early, one of them. I should have been either a little bit more late or a little bit earlier than when I entered. But yeah, it's fine. Let's see if we are going to get some action. By the way, as I promised, I want to have some type of educational content with each live streaming that I'm having. So if the price of the trade is going to go against me, I'm not going to, not against me, in my favor, sorry, I'm not going to scale out, I'm just going to add to the position. So what will be the reason of that? I'm going to add also an alert here. If I can trade alert, yes. So what is the reason of adding to the position? When I will open a new position here, I will move the stop out of the initial trade on zero, on break even, and then it's like I have only one open trade, but I have like double volume and risking only half. How to explain? Um, where can I explain? I will explain like this. So here I have only $20, yeah. But if I open another $20 here, and if I move this trade here on break even, then I will have a potential for it's like I'm opening a trade with 2 times risk to reward, which is $40, but I'm only risking 20 because I have only 20 ongoing. The other 20 is on break even. So it's like I have 2 times risk to reward per trade. That if I normally risk one time risk to reward, which is 20. But if I do that, it's like I'm having um, double leverage to my position, but with the same risk. Um, why I'm doing that? It's better to add to the winners than to the losers. Most of us, we are thinking that we want to go that when we are having a trade, we just hope um, that it will go in our favor, and we tend to modify the stop loss, or we tend to open another trade and hope that it will eventually go in our favor, and then we are adding to the losers, which actually what we should do, or what I think, yes, it's just my personal opinion, is that we need to add to the winners, because when you win, you want to win big. But because we are afraid of losing money that we already got on the table, then uh, most of us are going to scale out from the position, which I have explained, I think in my first day of live streaming, that that's not good, because it doesn't make sense. It's either you leave it to one risk to reward or two risk to reward, uh, or you just don't scale out, because it doesn't make sense to scale out. It really doesn't make sense. If you do all the mathematics, you will see that after you scale out the position, you still have some time that the price can go in your favor or against you. So if it's going in your favor, you are not going to earn that much. So and then if it's going to your favor, yes, you will say, okay, I have put something in my pocket, but on long term, that's not going to be. You can just do your own mathematics and um, just see how much you can win and how much you can lose. But when you are going to hit, you are going to hit it big. And then when I get to one time risk to reward, and of course if I can see some type of justification, I will open another trade there. I'm not going to add to the position just mm, like it's not like you can do two types of adding to the position. You can either just see what is your stop loss and it's 1000 points, which means that you can add with every 1000 points to your position, or you can wait for pullbacks and add to the position. So if I will add to the position, I can do the following two scenarios. I can either yeah, sorry, I'll just do like that. I will either add to the position here when the price is touching that, or because we have some type of um, um, resistance at this level, if the price is going to break that, then I'm going to wait for a break, a retest, and then I'm going to open on this fall. But you need to take in consideration that you are getting some risk also here, but it's up to you if you think it's worth it or not to take this risk. Just getting these errors that YouTube doesn't get enough video content. What does it mean? What does it mean? I don't know. Okay, so I think I can add to the position now. I'm not sure, I need to check it again. But let's see what the others are doing. Okay, Nasdaq flow, dusk is going up. Yes, I'm going to add to this one. If it's not going to be too late. Yeah, I'm far away from my adding to this position. It's 1000. No, it's, yeah, I was just not at the right moment, so I cannot add like fix one to this. But what I can do, I can just leave my trade to hit the take profit, and then I will wait for a pullback, and I will open again another trade here. It's something similar with adding to the position. If the price is falling down a little here, okay, you give me 1000 point, you have my winning, my buy trade again. And now I'm moving this to break even, which is here, and this one to the same level so that they can both be close. And then this take profit will be here. So I will have 3 times risk to reward to a 1 time risk to reward trade. just want to look at something. So basically now I'm only risking uh, one trade. Yes, $20 one time risk to reward. Just want to see how much space I have on SP500 if I want to leave the trade a little bit more. Oops. Let's see. So I am at this resistance level here, but if the price will break, then I might have a chance for another 1000 pips. So should I be greedy after I lost yesterday and today? My first yesterday I lost 1 hour and then again today I had one losing trade. Should I be greedy or not? The thing is that my take profit is already around this area, I think. Let's see what will happen. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure that the price will break about this because, yeah, it's not up to me to push the price. But let's see what will happen. Just want to add this level here so that I'm sure that I'm having the correct levels, like this one and this one. Let's go back on 5 minutes and let's see what happens here. Yes. So I could push a little bit more. I still have like 1000, maybe more, 1500 space, but I don't want to push it. Let's see what will happen here. Is this going to be a winner or a loser? Yes, so what I did is that I open a trade here and then I have open another trade here and then I move this one on break even. So I don't leverage my position. Let's see if it was a good idea or not. Here would have been a good idea, waiting for this pullback, but I didn't wait. So again, I was a little bit rushed with this trade also. This would have been the best entry, as I said before. So new objective for next day, don't rush into trades. Okay. Maybe I will open one more trade just because I want to recover. If I just want to get revenge on the market. If the price will fall down under these two, then I will just sell here. I'm not going to sell as I was saying here because that's too early. But here that will be a good price to sell. Maybe that or maybe that one. Okay. Let's see how the price is going to go next. I think I might, if the price is going to my favor, I think I might move them a little bit more up, like, uh, and then move them on break even here. So at least I get break even on today, and then I get uh, some profit. If I will get it hit, I get a lot of profit. If not, I just go break even for today. So let me see if I can leave the trade a little bit more. If I'm looking at 1 hour chart again, there is a lot of space actually, if it will go up. So we are here, and then the next one, next level, it's here. Yeah, if the price will keep going up, then I will probably try to do some magic with the money management and add to the position. So how far it can go, I have these two levels, and then I think I can go up and at least to these two levels, like another 1500 I can go, or 1000. If the price will go and it will not hit my break-even level, but so what will happen if the price will go down? Maybe it will go down like in this scenario that I have here on 1 hour chart. If it will not break this level, it will just go down to the under 6000 level. And it looks like on US you can see some spikes here on the 1 hour chart, candlestick. Not sure what will happen. Just need to wait and see how the price is going to move. FTSE, what is FTSE doing? Going up. Then DAX is going down. So the stop loss was not being hit yet, but I think it's going to be hit now. So my second losing trade for the day. I don't think the session has over yet. Is over yet, but has ended. Sorry, yet. But let's see what will happen next and how the market will react. Because we are half an hour from open and nothing significant has happened. Uh, uh, Only my two losing trades that they happened. So yeah, Now, what scenarios I will do for these losing trades? Losing trades, sorry. I'm just going to wait for the price to break under and then go short. But where under? Yeah, here might be a good place. Yeah. So this was my initial trade, but I have decided to add to the position. I don't feel bad about it, because if I would have won, then I would have made 3 times risk to reward. But I will definitely feel bad if the price is going now to my initial direction. Okay, we have an alert. Which one? It's going like crazy. Nasdaq is going down. DAX. Nothing so clear. Nothing. It's still the same trade, this one, like a long trade here. So this is still my best trade that I would have probably opened at one point in I will probably open it at one point in the future. I will just go short here. And then I will consider this move above a break, false break. Oh, okay. This is going like crazy. What? The problem with this such aggressive moves is that uh, I cannot get an entry to it. So everything is going down except FTSE. What does this mean? It means that FTSE might go down also. Another false break here. If price is coming back to this area, then I will definitely be a buyer. What happened? I will definitely be a buyer. If I get this spike here. And yeah, that might have been just a spike. I don't know what is happening with this Nasdaq. I cannot trade like that. You just cannot trade that or that. Maybe I'll go long here. I don't know if the price is going to do that. I will just go back long, because there is a lot of space for a big um, profit target. If the price is going back up, then I will consider this like a false break under my levels, and then I will just buy it again. Let's see. Let me check 1 hour on. Yeah, FTSE just going to the moon. This is SP. A lot of space for long trades, like quite a lot of space for long trades. Nasdaq the same. FTSE it's already up a lot. It can go a little bit more up. Nobody say, but we don't know what will happen. Then we have DAX that looks like it wants to fall down from here, but yeah, it might go up a little bit more. I don't have a clear profit target for it to go up. Like, I don't know how much space it can have. So that will be a little bit risky. So I have the third rejection from this level, and now, yeah, I don't like the higher time frame view on DAX because I would have entered long here, but I just don't like it. But in the same time, if the price is going to close above this level, then that's a question mark for going short, or a confirmation, exclamation mark, actually, not question mark. Let's see what we have here.
Oh my fucking god, it's so laggy like I'm teleporting.
Hello guys, I'm back. I just had to take a short break, like 1 minute break, you know what I mean. And I see a lot of opportunity for US stocks to go up. Like if I'm going to open a buy trade, then I have a lot of space to leave the trade run. And then FTSE, I'm not so sure about it because it's creating all-time highs. And then DAX, uh, I would rather be a seller to DAX, but the price is moving like it's going to push up again because we have this one rejection here, another rejection here, another rejection here. So the price just acts like it wants to push up. I might take a risk for a buy trade here at this level, but then again I will have this resistance here that is going to be a little bit in my way. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. So yeah, not so sure what I'm going to do next. Let's look at SP. Maybe SP is going to go again to the upside. If I'm getting another break here, then I'll just go long again on SP because I have a lot of space to the upside on SP. So actually like this. Nasdaq. Again, I just want to see some type of activity. It looks like a dead market. I don't know why. By the way, if you can give me some type of feedback about the way I'm speaking, about the internet quality or so on, or if you have any questions about what I'm doing here, please feel free to write. I'm not sure if I have chat box active. This chat box, yeah, this is how it's called. Yeah, now it's live, I think. So if you have anything, any advice or any comment, please feel free to join. No, this is QQ is something else, sorry. DAX. So I have this move, this rejection that I was saying here, and it's going to the upside. But I don't like to be a buyer here in all-time high, because this was an all-time high also for 21,700 was an all-time high. So I just don't like it. I don't, because I don't have any reference to where should I take the profit. That simple. If I'm going to put a take profit on DAX, then I don't know where to have it. Just a random 1 or 2 times risk reward. So that's the reason that I don't like to go along in empty spaces, let's say. And now Nasdaq is going down, and SP is also going or not going. Okay, so how long are I am in the video with the live? Sorry, how long is my streaming? I'm so new with streaming, so I'm still learning. It's 1 hour and a half almost. If I don't see any opportunity in the next minutes, then I'm going to close the streaming, because I'm not going to open any more trades. So SP, I'm just waiting for a break above this level again, and this short is not relevant because that's not the way I want to short. Because of this false break here, um, if I will sell, then I will sell something like, if I see the price breaking above under this structure, sorry. So that's the only way that I will short SP, but I still like the buy side. Now Nasdaq, I'm having similar scenarios like SP. I don't care I have this aggressive move here. That doesn't mean nothing. It just means that buyers came down to this area to buy cheap. That's how the things are going. Uh, but if I'm going to sell, then I have this resistance area here level. So I don't know if but I'm not going to sell again. Buyer on Nasdaq and SP. FTSE, yeah, I will be a seller, but I don't know where to sell, because now the price is at higher, uh, it's creating higher highs to all-time high levels, so it's empty space above this price, 8,640 is just empty space, so I don't know where to sell. I'm not going to trade. Now I have DAX, which is a lot of noise. It's like a lot of confusion. It's only confusion with this. Doesn't trend that much. You can see also here it's um, if you look in the past, it was again very choppy. So DAX is moving very choppy. It's very difficult to catch something. Okay, so let's go back to Nasdaq and SP. I see that I have again errors from YouTube. Doesn't get enough video content. What does this mean? Let's Google it. There is a limit on streaming. Okay, I need to do some research on this. I'm going to do this research this weekend and see what's the problem with my stream. I can see I have, oh, I don't have it anymore because I wanted to ask him how is the stream. Okay. FTSEs keep pushing it up. DAX, it's starting to push it up. Nasdaq, it's sleeping together with SP. So I know I don't have any energy now. I should probably get 1 hour of sleep before New York time, New York open, sorry, before trading, so that I get all energized. I'm planning to change a little bit my schedule so that I can also trade London, also New York, and maybe I can put in between um, some crypto trading. And uh, yeah, I will explain something about how markets works. Maybe I will explain next next trading section. That will be useful also for crypto trading. Ah, two losing trades today. Come on, don't put me back. Put me back on track. Actually, don't put me back on losing streak. Losing trades, the very necessary evil in trading. Very necessary. Yes, it's necessary. Just confront your fears and your pain. A lot of pain for me today. Two losing trades. And I think the price might just go down with this one. Don't like it. I don't have enough room to sell because one of my scenario is this one. I will just go again to the short, to the long side. I don't want to short. I am not a short. A seller today. Sorry, I'm not a seller today. Come on, come on. Just go up. Boring. I'm thinking to put some music, but maybe YouTube will not like it. Come on, market. Come on, market. Do something. It's FTSE doing its own thing now. It's it's doing better than Bitcoin. Let's see what, just out of curiosity, and I can see that DAX it's also so this rejection from this level on DAX, these are very important because that means that the price might actually break to the upside. So I might enter long on DAX. I'm not sure. Uh, I don't like, and I will show you why I don't like DAX. I don't like because I need to go long to higher new higher all-time high. Sorry, new to I need to have my take profit to new time all-time high. So I don't want to do that. I just don't like it. Yeah, it might go, but it's just like just put a random 2 times risk to reward and that's it. Maybe I should do that. Maybe I should do that because FTSE might follow DAX, sorry, might follow FTSE. It's European market after all. So yes, but then I like more Nasdaq to buy. And if they are going, the price is going to reject from this area, then that's a signal. And maybe I will just take revenge on SP 500. So you see, this scenario was not like by the book. Sorry, it was like more like that, but I still don't like it. It's too early to go long here. So yeah, still this is the scenario for long trades. Maybe you can force it here if you want, but I don't want it. So I just want to see what this guy is doing. Just curious what Bitcoin did today. Bitcoin all-time index. No, not index. Let's see. Okay, that was nice. Let's delete it from here and go back to our ships. No, no buy scenario here. No buy scenario here. So boring today. Okay, this is definitely an aggressive candlestick, and the price looks like it will go down, but up to where? Come on, come on, come on. Mm, mm. Yep, that's nice. Mhm. It might go down here and from here up. Let's see. Okay, so the market is going down, and I was fixed on long trades, but I'm still fixed on long trades. I still want to go long here to this level, 6035, 036, sorry, or here. DAX is sleeping, but actually what DAX is doing is testing this level here, where I said that this can be a good buy opportunity. Let's see what we'll do. So it's already 4:30, 1 hour since New York Open, and I said that nothing, if nothing will come uh, up to this hour, then I will not trade. Hello guys, thanks for watching. I can see there are two people. Thanks for your patience. So yeah, let me show you my higher time frame perspective on DAX. I just want to short, but when now DAX doesn't show me it, it might also only follow the FTSE index, which is maybe at one point, not now. But because it's European market, it might follow this one. So you see what FTSE was doing in the last days. It was testing this level 4 times now, and the fifth time it just broke and flew away from this level. And where it will stop, we don't know because we don't have nothing relevant. but we can use Fibonacci extension, and then we can suppose that it broke through this 1.272 and might go to 1.618, but that's just empty space. I'm not sure exactly where it will go, so I'm not going to touch FTSE. Then um, I have SP that the price is going down and it's falling from this level. The third time, fourth time when the price is here, the price is falling down. And then we had lots of these bullish candles here at this level, so 6,300 level with rejection from 6,020. So it looks like the price didn't have enough power to break above this level, so it might just fall down uh, again to this level here to 6,020. And same with Nasdaq, it didn't have power to break above this level 21,560 area, let's say, or 21,600. But let's see, because this might just be a break, a false breakup. If we are in a downtrend, then what the buyers are going to do, they are going to search for cheaper price. So this might just be a cheaper price for them to go long. So let's see what will happen. Just going to delete these ones and these ones. And yes, I just want to move back to 5 minutes and see what I can find. So the price is rejecting from this one. This is um, Nasdaq, and the same, I get a rejection from this level on SP. So I'm still on the buy side. I'm still on the buy side on these two. And why? Because I still have um, on Nasdaq, actually I have bearish, and I can see that SP it's red one, but if I move on higher time frame on 4 hour, then it's green here and then it's green here. So I will just like to go um, long on both. Okay, I'll just choose one, but I just say like this. So the price is going up and I'm starting to get optimistic that you see also this bullish candle here. It's a hammer, I think it's called, from what I can remember. So here, if the price is not going to reject here, and if the price is going to go above this, then I'm going to enter if it will break above these levels here. Yes, so I'm going to go long. And um, as for Nasdaq or SP 500, sorry, then let me see again what I can find here. So this, the entire area, it's a very crowded area. So what do I want to see is that the price will go up here and retest this level here in order to go long. Just make this one like that. And the entire area is very, very, very choppy, very busy. Okay, let's see where I have this. I don't even know what to look at. The more you go in the history, the more choppy it will be. So just leave it like this and see if the price will go above this level, 6,063. Dead, 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 dead. But this one is moving nice. SP. Come on, SP, let's recover. Let's recover. Now I'm not going to go long. DAX, I just like my areas better with SP. And then look, we have a gap to the upside here. So I will go now long. Let me see if I can go long with how much I can go long to this trade. I just the price might go back and to this area like this before going up again. So just need to pay attention to where I put my stop loss. So my plan now is to wait for one bearish candle to close and then I will enter long. Some type of red candle. It can be one with a spike like this or any type of red candle if it will come. And I can see Nasdaq is going to push through this level. Maybe yes, maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe we'll just come back. This will just be to retest of this level and the market is going to crash. I don't know. Mm, 1,500. I don't like it. Like 1,500. It's not enough. So it's a little bit dangerous if I go short now because the price might just retest this level and then go back. So, but considering that this was a very nice bullish candle and the second time that the price is rejecting from this area and the higher time frame analysis that everything should go up, should go, but that doesn't necessarily means that it will go okay. And now we have this here. That's a very nice short opportunity on DAX. So it's a little risky to enter now, even though I like it so much, but the stop loss is not going to be that good. So 1,000 points here, that might be a little bit risky. .40 seconds to the candle close. I'm so sorry for the quality of the streaming. It's like so bad. So bad. So I will take another chance with this one, like 5 seconds to the close, and I'm going to wait for the candlestick to close, and then if it's going to go a little bit down, yeah, I'm just going to open this one here. It's a little bit risky. It's anticipating a trade. It's not so correct, but it's 2 hours since I having this streaming, and I didn't have that much action. It's 15 minutes after 1 hour 45 minutes after the New York Open, so I'm running out of patience. That's not a good thing, but uh, that's my last trade for today. So how I will manage the trade? If it's going against me, then I'll just had to bear with the pain. If it's going to go in my side, then let's see, 1000 here. I will see if I can add to my position up to these levels, if I will still be in the trade by then. Because to be honest, I was more to the buy side because I I had more space for the profits to run in the upside than in the downside. Just going to be away for 2 minutes. much longer this stream because there are 2 hours and 5 minutes. Um, yeah, and that means that I'm not going to have more trades and not trades, adds to my positions. If the trades would have been going to my side, I'm not going to do nothing except leave the trade like it is. And I'm just going to see if I can put a higher um, take profit. Just going to see if I can go for 3 times risk to reward. You annoying. Yeah, I can go for it a bit more. Um, so my actual stop loss is here. If I put here, I will have this area here, but is the price should create higher highs, so I can have it by here. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see if I can put it to some 3 times risk to reward. 3000 points are going to be here. Does it make sense? 3500 and this is going to be here. And what I'm going to do, I don't like this stop loss. I am losing $20 for this trade. But I was also, when I opened the trade, I said that I don't like that the price might go down and retest this one the same. Usually what the price might do is that it might create another week a little bit lower than this one, like that. So again, in hunt of stop losses, and then if I'm going to add 50% to my position, that's another 500 points if I'll get the chance to do that. I cannot do that. Just want to drag this position for another 500 points. Okay, so that's enough for today. And this, the reason that I'm doing this is because I entered too late in the trade or too early, one of them. Okay, so I see that the price is going very aggressively, very aggressively. Let's see if I will have this one hit or not. The stop loss. This is Nasdaq, this is FTSE, this is DAX, and this is SP. Okay, guys, so I think that's enough for today. I'm going to leave this like that. I'm not sure if it's going to hit the stop loss or not, or what will happen. Yeah, but I'm going to leave it like this because it's already 2 hours and 10 minutes in the live streaming. So I don't know, maybe YouTube will not let me tomorrow to make another stream. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this and see you guys tomorrow.